So the conversation behind the top 10, the top 100 cryptocurrencies has always been there, where people have stated that the top 10 cryptocurrencies will never be the same. They won't be exactly the same as they were before. If you look at in the last bull run where the top 5 cryptocurrencies were and what they were, you probably won't see the same ones that are really leading the pack there. Now, I think that's true, right? You're not going to see the same ones, but it doesn't mean that other cryptocurrencies are not going to be as valuable. It just means that the newer cryptocurrencies or this newer top 5 or top 10 may just have a lot more value, right? It's not saying that, let's say, BNB is not going to be worth $100 billion market cap, but it might be that Ethereum is worth a $1 trillion market cap, or XRP is worth a $1 trillion market cap, or something like that, where BNB is still worth maybe even 2 times what the all-time high was, or 3 times what the all-time high was, but these new cryptocurrencies may take over. Or you may see things that tend to flip Bitcoin, in my opinion, right? And understand that this is all just my opinion. This is not 100% that this will happen. I don't want people to invest based off of just what I'm saying here. I want people to maybe do some research and hear me out a little bit in what I do believe. But I also want to know your thoughts on whether you believe that these things are going to happen, or whether you think that it's going to kind of remain the same and you have your own top 5. So today we're going to be going through the top 5, or the brand new top 5 cryptocurrencies that I believe it will look like in 2026. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Now, don't forget about my Rumble account if you guys want to follow me on Rumble. And if you want to check out Margex, feel free to go and trade with Margex. When it comes to the top 5 cryptocurrencies that are currently there, whether you're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and XRP and BNB and things of that nature, you can trade those up to 100x leverage. If you guys are interested in short-term trading, start with like $100, start small, see how successful you can be. And then if you feel as though you got a comfort zone of doing it, you can increase the amount that you're investing into. But always be careful, always remain disciplined, don't get greedy. If you guys want a series or a breakdown, I have a series for leverage trading on my Patreon. But let's talk about the top 5 cryptocurrencies. If we look at how the top 5 cryptocurrencies are today, excluding the stable coins, we're looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, and Solana. That is a great bunch. And, you may say that majority of those will stay right where they are. Well, I disagree. I do not think those will stay where they are. And I think we will have others that do come up to that spot and kind of take over some of these spots. So let me explain exactly what others believe and what I've seen people believe the top 5 cryptocurrencies are going to be. Now, they believe it's going to be, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You're going to have like XRP in the 3rd spot, or it's interchangeable with Solana to see that there. And then some people believe that it's either going to be like a Cardano, an AVAX, or something like that. Most people don't believe. There's some people that believe that Doge will be there and you'll have a meme coin up in the top 5. And honestly, I don't think that's the case, and I haven't seen much of that. But here's my breakdown, and I'll explain exactly why I do think that this is the case. So I posted on Twitter, this is what I believe the breakdown will be for the top 5 cryptocurrencies. We will see XRP, Ethereum, BTC. I don't know why I have 2 written twice, but it's 3, sometimes you just make mistakes. 4 will be Solana, ADA will be 5th. Now, I firmly believe in exactly where this is. Now, I put by 2030, but I think we'll see things that happen. I wanted to be a little bit conservative there to say that this may happen over that time frame. And in this video, I don't even know what the title may be. It may be 2026, it may be 2030, but by 2030, I do believe that this will be the case where we will see the crypto market functioning in this manner. And it all depends on the things that are going to happen. It depends on what happens with XRP. If you didn't see my last video talking about how XRP, kind of that reality and having that discussion on whether it can reach a $54 trillion market cap, Right now, the overall market cap of the entire crypto market is at a $1.5 trillion market cap, right? $1.56 trillion market cap. So we're talking about XRP being worth 54 times that, basically. Let's round down 54 times that, or looking at about 25 times or something around that number. Yes, that could be a potential chance for that to happen depending on what happens with XRP. So that's why I believe that XRP will be number one, because it will be that transaction-based currency that's not only used by the US, but used by various other countries, all other countries, as a standard way of communication from bank to bank, from country to country, from border to border. That's the way that I see that happening. And I don't see that anywhere else. While you have things that may be a store of value, like a Bitcoin, that I believe will have more nostalgia purposes, within the market, and it will stay there as that level. That's what I'm seeing within it. Now, while we also look at the one that's second on the list, we look at Ethereum. I think Ethereum has a valid spot or a good place within there as being, especially if it's, layer 2 with the faster transactions and lower costs. As long as that is the case, then absolutely it has a place, in the market and pushing up to a level to have a massive use case, right? So XRP and Ethereum both being by the form of use case, BTC being by more of a store of value that's there. We have ADA on the list in fifth, and I believe Cardano truly will be worth multiple billions, hundreds of billions of dollars, as well as Solana being worth maybe even in the trillions. While you see XRP that may be worth $54 trillion, or let's say it's just $5 trillion. Let's be conservative and say it's $5 trillion, or $10 trillion, and you see Ethereum worth about $7 trillion, and Bitcoin being worth $5 trillion, and Solana being up in the range of hitting $1 trillion, if not like a 1.2, 1.5 trillion that's there. ADA could be worth hundreds of billions of dollars. So I truly think that this will be the model, that this will be exactly where we go. But there's also, concern as you look at some things that are in the top 10. We could have an AVAX that comes out of nowhere. We could have a Polkadot that has a massive impact, or a Polygon or something like that. But when I look at the top 5, this is what I see. I see XRP having the biggest use case within it, Ethereum being right next, Bitcoin being there more for, that store of value, that nostalgia reasons, as someone's pointed out in the live stream, compare it to gold in that aspect rather than, actually using it as a form of payment. And then Solana, ADA, both rounding out that list for the top 5, sitting at maybe multiple trillions of dollars worth of a market cap and multiple hundreds of billions of dollars worth of a market cap. I truly believe that this will be the case. I would like to know what your top 5 will look like. If you have a top 5, does it look like this? Does it look like some sort of comparison to this? Some people believe that Solana will be the top of the market and it will run everything, which honestly is not unheard of or absurd to me. I like Solana. I don't have any Solana. I would love to have Solana. I don't have any Ethereum either. The only two that I have that will be in the top 5 is XRP and ADA. And those ones, you only need like a few that are in the top 5 that are going to run and provide you with a ton of value. So it all depends, right? What do you guys see? Do you see hundreds of billions? Do you see trillions of dollars? Do you see XRP reaching a $54 trillion market cap? As I've seen from, the last video that I posted, comments may not be completely favorable to XRP reaching $54 trillion, but it's always a conversation we can have. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are also in the description. Don't forget about if you guys want to sign up with Margex and start trading on leverage. All of these coins that are in the top 5 here, you can trade on leverage from like 25x all the way up to 100x leverage if you guys really, really want to. Make sure you protect yourself and you're trading with discipline and you're trading responsibly. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.